Welcome to our tutorial on joining population data to country polygons using the MAPOG GIS. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to integrate population data from Excel into existing country-level data within MAPOG GIS. This map will showcase the population of major cities within the selected country, providing a clear visualization of where population centers are concentrated. MAPOG GIS provides the data of more than 200 countries. Navigating to MAPOG GIS Map Analysis Platform, move on Add Upload option to add the GIS data needed. Then use the AI search option or manually select the country name. Then scroll down to select the city-level data of that country. Add the data and check the data table by clicking on the Action button and selecting Show Data Table option. Edit the name of the field showing the city for better understanding. Rename the title of the project and add description of the project in the description box. Population data of this country is available as an Excel file. Add this file to MAPOG GIS platform using the Excel attribute option. For that, move on to the Analysis Data menu, select Excel Attributes, then upload the Excel file containing population data of major cities of this country. Select the data to be joined and also select the target feature as the country city level data that was already added from MAPOG GIS data and select the target attribute as city name. Then click on New Data option and press Keep All Targeted Features option. Then select One-to-One Data Joining option and tick the fields that are needed to be joined. Then submit the data. The layer is successfully added. Check the data table of this newly added data layer. The attributes of both data are there in this data layer. Rename the layer as Population Data by clicking on the Action button and editing the layer name. Also give variant colors to different cities using category styling options. Select the attribute city and then change the colors. Click on each city to view the details added. Share the map to the public using the Share Data menu. Through the use of MAPOG GIS, we've demonstrated how to effectively merge datasets and create visually compelling maps that highlight key population trends. For queries, contact our support team. Thanks for watching.